Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all we have to open the keyboard, so you can do it in any kind of app which will show you the keyboard, for example messages, notes, the browser, whatever. Just have the keyboard on the screen and then let's enter the settings. Now let's tap on the languages and tap on Add Keyboard. Here we've got the languages, the list of the languages which we've got currently applied. So let's enter Add Keyboard, and as you can see right here we've got the full wide list of available languages from which we can choose. So as you can see we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically that's all you have to do. So just find it and find the language you'd like to set and tap on it. So let me pick Urdu from India. Sometimes you will be able to pick the region, of course. And you will also sometimes be able to pick the keyboard mode, the keyboard type. So as you can see right here, I've got 3 different modes, but depending on the language, you will be able to pick up to 5 different keyboards. So I'd like to set Urdu one, not this kind of regular one, because I want to show you the difference. So just tap on it to mark it and untick this option and tap on Done. As you can see, the Urdu language has been applied to the list I've mentioned before. And now on the keyboard we can see one difference. There will be also one another, but later on. So the difference is right here we've got this globe icon which will allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon I can switch to the Urdu one. And here we can see the second difference. So the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using. So after tapping on the globe icon you can again see that we've got the English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard, and now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you don't really need like 2 different languages added, just one but different than it was before. So all we have to do is to simply enter the settings again, reach this section and tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now we can mark the language we'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon. As you can see we've got only English left, so after getting back to the keyboard we can see that first of all the language key is not available and the spacebar is empty. So it means that we've got only one language. So basically that's all. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi 13. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.